Africa is home to a rich diversity of mammals, ranging from massive herbivores like the elephant to tiny insectivores like the shrew. These mammals inhabit almost every possible environment, from the vast savannas and deserts to the dense rainforests and high mountain ranges. Some of Africa's most iconic wildlife, such as the African lion, rhinoceros and giraffe, are globally recognized symbols of the continent's natural beauty. However, Africa is also home to many lesser-known mammals that are crucial to the balance of their ecosystems, from nocturnal creatures like the aardvark to the elusive pangolin. Mammals are defined by several key characteristics. They have hair or fur, give birth to live young, with the exception of monotremes, and feed their offspring with milk produced by mammary glands. These traits make them unique among the animal kingdom, and their diversity in Africa showcases the incredible range of ecological niches that mammals occupy on the continent. In this section, we will explore the behaviors, physical characteristics, ecological roles, and conservation statuses of some of Africa's most notable mammal species. The African elephant is the largest land mammal on Earth, and it is one of the most iconic species in Africa. Known for its intelligence, complex social structures, and remarkable physical adaptations, the African elephant plays a critical role in shaping the landscapes of sub-Saharan Africa. Physical characteristics: African elephants are massive creatures, with males typically weighing between 4,500 and 6,800 kilograms and standing over 3 meters tall at the shoulder. Their most distinctive features are their large ears, which help regulate body temperature by dissipating heat, and their long trunks, which are highly versatile tools used for feeding, drinking, communicating, and even social bonding. Their tusks, which are elongated incisor teeth, are another notable feature, although tuskless elephants are also seen in some populations. Behavior and social structure. African elephants are highly social animals that live in tight-knit family groups, typically led by an older matriarch. These groups consist of females and their offspring, while adult males tend to live solitary lives or form loose bachelor groups. Elephants communicate using a wide range of vocalizations, from deep rumbling sounds to high-pitched calls, and they are known for their empathy, memory, and problem-solving abilities. The African lion is one of the most recognizable and revered animals on the planet, symbolizing strength, bravery, and majesty. Lions are apex predators and play a vital role in regulating ecosystems by controlling herbivore populations. Physical characteristics. Lions are large, powerful cats, with males being significantly larger than females. Male lions are characterized by their impressive manes, which vary in size and color depending on factors such as age, genetics, and testosterone levels. Females are smaller and lack manes, but are equally strong and agile. Lions have sharp claws and teeth, which they use to capture and kill prey, and they are known for their distinctive roars, which can be heard from miles away. Behavior and social structure. Unlike other big cats, lions are highly social animals that live in groups called prides. A pride typically consists of related females, their cubs, and a few adult males. Female lions do most of the hunting, working together to bring down large prey such as antelope, buffalo, and zebras. Males, on the other hand, protect the pride and help defend their territory from rival males. Lions are also known for their vocalizations, including their iconic roars, which are used to communicate with other members of the pride and to establish territorial boundaries. The giraffe is another iconic African mammal, known for its long neck, distinctive coat pattern, and graceful movements. Giraffes are the tallest terrestrial animals in the world, and their unique physical adaptations make them well-suited to life in Africa's savannas and woodlands. Giraffes are instantly recognizable due to their long necks and legs, which allow them to reach high branches and feed on leaves that are out of reach for most other herbivores. Adult males can stand up to 5.5 meters tall, while females are slightly shorter. Giraffes have a distinctive coat pattern of irregular patches, which helps camouflage them in the dappled light of their woodland habitats. Their long prehensile tongues, measuring up to 45 centimeters, are used to strip leaves from branches. Giraffes are social animals that live in loose, fluid groups, with both males and females forming herds. Unlike other herbivores, giraffes do not have a strict hierarchy, and their group dynamics can shift frequently. They are generally peaceful creatures, grazing on acacia and other trees. Males engage in necking battles where they use their necks like hammers to strike each other, often to establish dominance during mating seasons. The hippopotamus is a large semi-mammalian herbivore that spends much of its time in rivers and lakes. Known for its massive size, territorial behavior, and powerful jaws, the hippopotamus is a key player in the ecosystems of sub-Saharan Africa. Hippos are large, thick-skinned mammals with barrel-shaped bodies and short legs. They have wide, gaping mouths with large tusks, and their skin secretes a reddish-colored fluid that acts as a natural sunscreen and antimicrobial agent. Despite their seemingly slow and cumbersome nature, hippos are capable of running at speeds of up to 30 kilometers per hour on land and are excellent swimmers. Hippos are highly social animals that live in large groups called pods, usually consisting of females and their offspring, with dominant males leading the group. Hippos spend most of their time in the water where they cool off and protect their sensitive skin from the sun. They emerge at night to graze on grasses, consuming large amounts of vegetation. Hippos are territorial, especially in water, and males fiercely defend their territory from other males. The birds are one of the most diverse and fascinating groups of animals in Africa. From the arid deserts of the Sahara to the lush rainforests of the Congo, birds have evolved a wide range of adaptations that allow them to thrive in diverse environments. Whether it is the elegant flight of a migrating stork, the colorful plumage of a kingfisher, or the powerful hunting skills of a raptor, African birds have captivated naturalists and birdwatchers alike for centuries. Birds are crucial members of African ecosystems, playing roles as pollinators, seed dispersers, and predators. Africa's birds are not only biologically diverse, but also culturally significant, with many species playing roles in local folklore, traditions, and religions. Yet, despite their importance, many African bird species face mounting threats from habitat loss, poaching, and climate change. In this section, we will delve into some of the most iconic and fascinating bird species found across Africa, examining their behaviors, physical traits, and the conservation challenges they face. The African fish eagle is one of Africa's most recognizable and powerful birds of prey. Known for its striking appearance and piercing call, the African fish eagle is an iconic species found near large bodies of fresh water across sub-Saharan Africa. The African fish eagle is a large bird of prey with a distinctive black and white plumage. Its head and tail are snowy white, while its body and wings are dark brown. The eagle's sharp yellow eyes and large hooked beak are designed for catching fish, which makes up the majority of its diet. It has strong, powerful talons for grasping its prey and a wingspan of up to 2.5 meters, allowing it to soar effortlessly over lakes and rivers. The African fish eagle is an expert fisher, using its keen eyesight to spot fish swimming below the surface of rivers and lakes. It often hunts from a perch on a tree or rocky outcrop, diving down to snatch fish with its talons. While fish are its primary food source, the eagle will also eat waterfowl, amphibians, and small mammals when necessary. The eagle's call, a distinctive, high-pitched whistle, is often heard across the African landscape, especially near water. The ostrich is the world's largest and heaviest bird, known for its powerful legs, large size, and flightlessness. Native to the savannas and deserts of sub-Saharan Africa, the ostrich is an iconic species that has evolved a number of adaptations for life on the ground. Male ostriches can grow up to 2.8 meters tall and weigh over 150 kilograms, making them the largest living birds. They have long, muscular legs adapted for running at speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, making them the fastest running birds. Despite their large size, ostriches have relatively small wings, which are not used for flight, but for balance while running. Their large eyes, measuring about 5 centimeters in diameter, give them excellent vision, allowing them to spot predators from a distance. Ostriches are herbivores, feeding on a variety of grasses, seeds, and shrubs. They are well adapted to life in arid environments and can go for long periods without water, obtaining moisture from the plants they eat. Although flightless, ostriches are capable of running at incredible speeds and are highly protective of their nests, using their powerful legs to defend against predators like lions and hyenas. The secretary bird is a large, striking bird of prey that is easily recognized by its long legs and distinctive appearance. It is found in open savannas and grasslands across sub-Saharan Africa and is known for its unique hunting style. The secretary bird is a tall bird with a slender body and long, stilt-like legs. It has a distinctive crest of feathers on the back of its head, which gives it a somewhat secretarial appearance, hence its name. The bird's wings are long and narrow, and it has sharp talons that it uses to capture prey. Its plumage is predominantly grey, with a black and white pattern on the wings and tail. Unlike most raptors, the secretary bird hunts on the ground using its long legs to stomp on insects, rodents and small reptiles. It is particularly skilled at hunting large insects like locusts and grasshoppers, as well as snakes, which it kills by striking with its powerful legs. The secretary bird's hunting style is highly effective in the open grasslands and savannas it inhabits. The African grey parrot is one of the most intelligent and sought-after bird species in the world, known for its advanced vocal abilities and social behavior. Native to the rainforests of West and Central Africa, the African grey parrot is a popular pet and is highly valued for its ability to mimic human speech. The African grey parrot has a predominantly grey plumage with a distinctive white mask around its eyes and a bright red tail. It has a strong, curved beak, which it uses to crack nuts and seeds, and its wings are adapted for flying through the dense forest canopy. Its large brain-to-body ratio makes it one of the most intelligent bird species. African grey parrots are highly social and live in large flocks in the wild. They communicate using a wide range of calls and are known for their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. They feed primarily on fruits, nuts, and seeds, using their strong beaks to crack open hard shells. In the wild, they are important seed dispersers, helping to maintain the health of the forest ecosystem. Vultures are among Africa's most important scavengers, playing a crucial role in cleaning up carcasses and preventing the spread of disease. Africa is home to several species of vultures, including the white-backed vulture, the lappet-faced vulture, and the hooded vulture. Vultures are large, often bald-headed birds of prey with strong wings and keen eyesight. They are typically adapted for soaring high in the sky, using thermal updrafts to glide for hours in search of food. Their bald heads and necks help prevent contamination from the carcasses they feed on. Vultures are scavengers that feed on the remains of dead animals. They have highly acidic stomachs that allow them to digest decaying flesh without getting sick. Vultures are often seen circling high in the sky, waiting for other animals or birds to find a carcass before descending to feed. Their presence helps keep ecosystems clean by removing dead animals.